Now we're gonna take the compressor up here, and then I'll lower down the new coil. Well, yeah, I do need the strap up here. With the compressor. Hey Cliff, after the compressor's in the air, come up. Because I could use your hand with the signaling him and hooking up the coil. Hey, put it on the bow hook. The bow hook. No, the strap. Yo! Hold on, hold on. Hey! Swing that hook the other way. Cable down. There you go. Is that good? Is it clear? Hey, make sure you tell me when I'm right above it. It's good? Hold on. Give me a minute. All right. How's that little one? Is that little one too short?
So we can loop this one.
Ah, yeah, it's too short.
We can loop this through that, and then put that hook on the center of the strut.
No.
Center.
Yeah, let me see.
Yeah, rigging ain't my fucking forte. At least not yet.
There, do it just like this, bro. Put the hoop in the shackle. Might have to take it all the way off at first. Just like that.
Drop my pin.
Pin jamming?
Drop my screw. right now. I don't do a lot of installs and fucking shit like the cranes.
Okay, let's see. That should be good. After it makes liftoff, just run on down. But hey, I want to lift it up off the ground, right? Once it's off the roof, it'll swing this way, all right? So you want to be careful it doesn't drag across the roof.
I'll stand here, make sure it don't drag.
Yeah, because he can probably boom down just a little bit more. But if he starts to lift up straight like this, it's gonna fucking want to drag the bottom.
Just seeing how you did it. Forward them down there.
Yeah, just try to get this centered, because if this ain't centered, it'll want to jump side to side. So basically, once it's hooked up, as long as your hook is somewhat in the center, I mean your hook's in line with the center of the coil, just look at these and see if you can
Kind of get
gauge.
The flex on it a little bit.
The only other thing you could do is maybe wrap this around a second time, and then that way it won't slide either way. But that could put more pressure, more weight on one of the shackles. So
Yeah,
I don't recommend doing
I'll
that.
just do it the way like that. I think it'll be okay like that. So you're gonna lift it up. I'm just gonna make sure it ain't cracked on the roof, right?
Yep. So basically,
It's gonna want to kick towards you, I think, right?
yeah, the bottom, it's gonna lift straight up right here, so the bottom's gonna want to lift.
All right, so I'll keep it on the bottom.
I can have them boom down just a hair, and if you get that ball right here, we should be good. So I have them cable up.
I mean, I can make sure it'll swing, Reb. We'll just cable up slow. I'll kind of guide it.
Just don't get underneath it, and be ready for it at all times to break loose. Nice fire. Freeway fire. It's a Tesla, for sure.
Probably. I'll keep an eye on it, make sure it don't drag. We'll just cable up slow.
I'll have them cable up slow, but if you need me to cable up fast, I'll fucking take my hand and tell them to fucking whip it.
Yeah, once we clear the condenser, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, I will figure it out. My half brain, your full brain there.
Just be ready for it to fall. Never put yourself in a position where it's gonna fall on you. A leg, a limb, anything. All right, we're gonna go slow at first. Slow, slow. It's all you, we're clear.
Clear everything?
Clear everything, you can swing it. Hey, I'm gonna come down there and help you. Here, bring it to the truck. All right, lean it up against the truck. Make sure your strap is clear. All right.
I already got these on that one, so.
I'm just putting them back together just so you don't lose them.
I don't think there's anything on the bottom of that coil holding it down into the thing. It kind of just tilted itself over, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So.
Cable up. Put down.
Bright as fuck.
A little bit more. Yeah, bro, where are your glasses? The brightness is a safety hazard. Yeah, with all these fucking staples sticking out of here, you definitely don't want this thing banging out.
I started banging them in a little bit, but oh yeah, it looks like it's just wedged between the wood here. So when we set that one in there, obviously we'll just try to put it back the same, huh?
Yeah. Okay, bro.
I mean, I'm standing on the top of the tool bench right now. I mean,
All right, you get ready. You always want to have a plan B. If you got to fucking jump off the fucking truck, you got to jump off the truck. So just be ready.
Yeah, I'll just figure it out. So nothing is caught.
Looking good over here.
Good on my side. Go ahead and hop down, okay?
Okay, go for it.
You need to be over there when I lower it? Would it be easier?
Nah, just one guy, but we're trying to sandwich it in between two units.
Yeah, that's why I was asking. But you could always, if you had an earpiece, you could always call me.
Gotta get the old compressor too.
Oh, all right. Hey, we clear of that VRF? Now it's mine. Hey, just stand it straight up for now. Steady it. One minute. Damn, I should have had him boom over a little bit.
Take the shackles off, huh? You just need that one rope for that. Yeah, we can cradle it over there.
I'll pick it up and walk it to that gooseneck, just to lean it up against it.
Yep, ready?
Yep. Okay. Lightly. Oh yeah. Okay.
And then move this compressor over there and get that hook, yeah?
Yeah. Well, I got this. We could shackle it with what we got up here. It's got a shackle on it, right?
No, not this one.
Oh, right here. We're good. We're good. Okay, you hold that.
You alright lifting it?
Yeah.
Boy, it's right back out, boss. Just gonna run it through this one?
Yeah. Oh, well, shit. You got a hook right
Yeah,
there.
it's got a hook on it. That's what I was thinking.
Oh, I can have them cabled down a little bit. It won't fit, will it? Oh, shit. Almost. Almost.
I'm gonna cable them down a little bit.
Yeah. Just a fucking cunt hair.
I like that here. Not a lot of it, though. I want to take to the rainforest to find my treasure. We gonna cable?
Yeah, just cable.
Is that right?
Finger down, pointing down, circles.
Cable slow?
Yep. Brake, cable up. Fucking scared me. That unit kicking on scared me. All right. Once this is free, give them a fucking thumb. Tell them keep going.
Huh? Yeah, it's compressor on there right now. Yeah.
All right, let him know he's clear.